We are now going to see a few simple steps on how you can have your PaaS application developed on VBCS to be shown as an icon in your Springboard on SaaS. This is nothing but simply embedding a PaaS application created into your SaaS homepage. Let's see the steps how to do it. Open your VBCS application and log into the application. Once you log into the application, choose the application that you want to have embedded in SaaS. First, stage the application. You can stage it with clean database or with development data. So now the application moves to stage from development. You can go ahead and now publish this web application created in VBCS. Now this is live application. Let's go into the application and launch the application. Once you launch the application, you will have a link. Copy that link and store it in a notepad. This is the link of the application that we are going to have it in our SaaS page. Now let's go into the applications cloud, and we are logging into the supply chain operations user. Let's go there, and first we need to enable sandbox. So let's enable a specific sandbox and activate the sandbox. Once you activate the sandbox, we can go into the configuration and structure. Once you click on structure, you will have a entry for creating a new entry. Let's create a new entry. Now let's say you want to call this application as dekitting and assembly, dekit assembly. Okay, and leave all the other drop downs as selected. Choose where in the navigator you want. We are now going to put it under the supply chain execution link, and we are going to create a static URL. Now just copy paste the link that you have copied from the web app into the creating a page entry. Now we need to choose an icon, how this will look in our Springboard in your supply chain execution SaaS application. So let's choose a specific icon. Once you choose the icon, just save and close this. Now you will find the entry in the structure. Let's go to the home page of our supply chain application. If you click on the supply chain execution, you will find the dekit assembly as an application. Click on that and your VBCS application is now open, and you can execute the VBCS application from SaaS. With these very simple steps, we have now got the new web application developed in our PaaS, brought into our SaaS, and you can directly launch the custom PaaS application from SaaS.